Hello and welcome. Today's Yin session pairs shorter holds with affirmations, and I highly recommend a block or some books. Place them within reach to the left side and lie down onto your back for Appanasana. Hug your knees in, maybe close your eyes, and take a moment to settle into the practice. For our spinal twist, place your block next to your left hip. Extend your left leg along the mat, and with your left hand, draw your right knee over to the left onto the block. Extend your right arm long with the palm down, or bend it into cactus, palm up, your gaze sinks to the right. Silently repeat our affirmation for this pose. I am calm in my body and mind. I am calm in my body and mind. Now to transition into reclined pigeon, place your right ankle to your left knee. Bend your left leg as you roll onto your back, and you can keep your left foot grounded or hug your left leg in, up to you. Repeat the affirmation, I let go of the past and embrace the present. I let go of the past and embrace the present. Unwind and extend your right leg along the mat. Spinal twist, draw your left knee over to the right onto the block and try to keep both shoulders on the mat. Our affirmation, I feel grounded and at ease. I feel grounded and at ease. Reclined pigeon, place your left ankle to your right knee and roll onto your back, finding your preferred variation. Our affirmation, I let go of what I don't need. I let go of what I don't need. Unwind, hug your knees in, and transition into tabletop. Make sure the block is in front of you within reach. Now, melting heart pose. Walk your hands forward and release your forehead down, either to the mat or to the block. Silently repeat, I listen to my heart. I listen to my heart. Shift onto your belly and come into a shoulder stretch. Bring your left arm out to the left, extended or in cactus, and roll onto your left side. Knees bent and stacked, or your right foot behind the left leg. If it feels good, place your right hand to your lower back to deepen. Our affirmation: I create space for growth. I create space for growth. Return onto your belly, slightly lift up, and for a crisscross stretch, slide your left arm over to the right. Place your forehead onto the block, and you can keep your right arm relaxed by your side, or slide it over to the left, just in front of your right arm so your elbows are close. Silently repeat, I trust my body to let go. I trust my body to let go. Unwind, remove the block and shoulder stretch. Bring your right arm out to the right and roll on to your right side. Option to place your left hand to your lower back. We'll repeat the affirmation, I create space for growth. I create space for growth. Return onto your belly, and for the crisscross stretch, slide your right arm over to the left. Rest your forehead onto the block, and option to slide your left arm over to the right in front of your right arm. Again, we'll repeat the affirmation. I trust my body to let go. I trust my body to let go. Unwind, remove the block, and for a final resting pose, stack your hands to make a pillow for your forehead. Completely relax and silently repeat, I allow myself to rest. I allow myself to rest. Gently wake up your body, and in your own time, come into a comfortable seated position. Unite your palms at your heart, ending our practice with gratitude. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you a wonderful day.